after all the chicken nails are removed, I make sure that I wash these feet thoroughly, at least 3 times. Hi friends, in this video I will show you how to make delicious stewed chicken feet, a nutritious dish packed with collagen and essential nutrients that are great for your health. Let's get cooking. First, I caramelize the sugar. So what I do, I add probably 3 ounces water in the pot, and I add palm sugar. I'm using palm sugar here instead of regular white sugar because it makes the stew taste better and more aroma to it. So that's about right because I don't want to make the stew too sweet. So this will take a little while to dissolve the sugar. Meanwhile, while I'm caramelizing the sugar, I want to show you the spices and other ingredients that will add it to the stew. Here I have ginger, 2 teaspoons salt, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, half teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon ground onion, 2 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon Sichuan pepper, bay leaves, 1 teaspoon ground chili, and star anise. So this will go into the stew to make the flavor and aroma, which make the dish more delicious, and I will show you further when it comes to cooking. Looks good, so I'm going to add the chicken feet in it. And from here on, I will add water and the rest of the spices and the ingredients. So here is spices all in. Ginger, soy sauce, salt, and I'm going to stew this for 2 hours with medium heat. Here is the final result. Tender, flavorful, and full of collagen, rich goodness. I hope you love this recipe as much as I do. If you enjoyed this video, hit that subscribe button for more delicious and simple recipe. Thanks for watching and happy cooking!